There was widespread flooding across several communities in St. Elizabeth on Saturday as heavy rain pounded sections of the island. Dozens of people were stranded in Santa Cruz as piles of debris rendered the main road impassable. As we hear in this report, residents are now appealing for the authorities to improve the drainage infrastructure in the parish. It may look like it, but this is not a waterfall cascading into a river. It is actually the Rocky Hill Main Road in St. Elizabeth after hours of rainfall Saturday afternoon.
There's a terrible flooding, you know, and most of the vehicles they may even have to park round on the side of the road there. As a relative home and such forth.
In the aftermath, piles of debris made the roadway impassable, and motorists, including taxi operators, were delayed for hours in traffic, which led to dozens of commuters being stranded in Santa Cruz.
Flood waters from the hills of Park Mountain came down through the drainage up by the Rocky Hill area and resulted in a lot of debris, silt and all sorts of stuff coming onto the main thoroughfare of the Rocky Hill main road.
In other communities, more debris and severe damage to the road surface. Residents complained that the drainage system is to be blamed.
Yeah, affect me bad. I mean, if you watch this man, I can go. I work with it. And me no have food. While
the Member of Parliament led efforts to clear sections of the road, there were urgent appeals for the government to find a permanent fix to the flooding problems. The residents fear that as rainfall gets more intense, things may get worse.
If you make a drain separate from the road and the road need to sink, if the road no sink, you know, mash up. For all me grandpitney them will vehicle carry them up a yard from school, can't come up. And in this rain, you know, what them I go do? And they have to go walk if out the road, so come right up, you know.
You raise the 2 chicken in your bar?
Yeah, me break me 2 chicken, me hog when me buy little feed, and how me I go get up on me head? It can't pencil.
In the meantime, Counsel for the Santa Cruz Division, Christopher Williams, said the authorities have been trying to find a solution.
It is not a simple fix. It is not just coming here and working asphalt in the road, but also ensuring that we have proper drainage to collect the abundance of water and whatever debris that is going to come from up in the hills. I've also given instructions this morning to my officer to do a proper estimate of works to be done.